Hey, today we're going to work on a mini BMX. So this mini BMX is really hurting. It's been ridden for quite a few years, so a lot of stuff has gone wrong with it. So here we have a brand new fluorescent lime green wheel. So 2 Rocker Pro street tires. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so back wheel's done. Time to throw it on. So I figured these would look pretty good with this bike. It's a really good match for the tires. So let's see how it goes with these grips. So there's the wacky bike. We got rocker tires and some McNeil gum grips. So let's take it outside and take it for a spin. So that's my mini BMX. Tires are a little bit worn out already. Some new comfy grips. So thanks for watching. Check out more of my videos.